If your Windows PC is running low on storage, then don't buy a bigger SSD yet. Windows has been silently creating junk files ever since you started using your computer. Every app you install, every Windows update, and even everyday task leaves behind temporary files that eats up your storage. So in this video, I will show you how you can find these hidden files and safely delete them to recover good amount of storage. So let's get started. Alright, the first folder is your user temporary folder. Windows and many apps store temporary files here, but most of them are not removed automatically. So they build up over time and waste your storage. Now to remove these files, press Windows plus R key together on your keyboard to open the run dialog box and type in here %temp, then ampersand and click on OK. Now here press Ctrl A to select all the files and folders and delete them all. So simply press Ctrl A and hit delete. Or you can permanently delete these files and folder by pressing Shift Delete. Skip the files and folders that are undeletable because these files might be in use. So skip them all that are undeletable. Now the next one is Windows temporary folder. We have deleted the user's temporary files and folders, but now we need to delete the Windows temporary files. For that, press Windows plus R key together on your keyboard again and type there temp without any ampersand and hit OK. Click on continue. And this is where Windows stores temporary system files created during updates, installation and other background tasks. Over time, these files can accumulate and take up unnecessary storage. So you can delete all these files and folder. Simply Ctrl A and hit delete. Skip the files that are undeletable. Next one is Prefetch folder. Windows stores app launch data here to help programs open faster. Over time, old and unused prefetch files can accumulate, especially after uninstalling apps. So it is safe to clear this folder occasionally because Windows will automatically create the files that it needs. So again, press Windows plus R key together on your keyboard to open the run dialog box and type in here prefetch and hit OK. Now click on continue. Select all these files and folders and delete them. So press Ctrl A and hit delete. And again skip the files that are undeletable. Now the next one is software distribution folder. Windows stores downloaded update files here before and after installing updates. And once the update is complete, many of these files are no longer needed, but they can take up several gigabytes of storage, so you can safely delete them. For that, open the File Explorer, go to this PC and open C drive and then Windows folder. Now look for software distribution folder. Double click to open and delete everything inside this folder. So select all these files and folder and hit delete. Now the next thing you can do is go to Windows menu, then settings, go to system settings and then storage. Here you will find different file categories that are taking space in your C drive. So you need to click on this cleanup recommendation and then click on See Advanced Options. Here you will find different temporary files that are in your C drive. So let's click on Cleanup System Files. And if there are any junk files left, then you will find them here. So you can select all these junk files and delete them. But do not delete your downloads. You can also check recycle bin, but I will delete it later. And make sure you do not select downloads, otherwise it will delete your downloaded files. So select all other junk files and remove them. Alright, now let's go back to storage and click on show more categories. And then system and reserved files. Here you can see that Hibernation file is taking around 10 GB storage on my PC. Windows uses this Hibernation file to save your computer's memory when you put it into Hibernate. But most of the time we use sleep mode. So you can disable this Hibernation file and it won't cause any problem. Okay, let's go to C drive. And then first make sure hidden files are visible. Click on View tab and then Show. Check the hidden items. And now if I click on this three little dots and go to options and then view option, view tab, and uncheck this option reading hide protected system files. Uncheck and then click on yes, apply and OK. Now you see there's a hiberfil.sys inside C drive, this one, and it is taking around 10 GB storage on my PC. Now to disable it, go to search and look for CMD and run it as admin. Click on the yes option you will see on the screen, and here you have to run only one command, power cfg then space /h then space off, and hit enter on your keyboard, and it will disable the hiberfil.sys. Now if I go back to this PC, you see it instantly freed up 10 GB storage on my C drive. Now you can also clean up the DNS cache. For that, go to search and look for CMD and click on it. Now just type here ipconfig then space /+DNS and press enter on your keyboard, and it will delete all the DNS cache from your PC. And lastly, I will empty the recycle bin and restart my PC once. After that, you can see that I have 45 GB space free in C drive. Earlier it was around 10 GB. By deleting these hidden files, you will definitely recover good amount of storage and make your PC run smoother. And that's all for this video guys, hope this helped. If you are new to this channel, then I create videos around PC, software and AI stuff. If you find it helpful, you can subscribe and I will see you in my next one.